I just wanted to take a look at what I would consider a well-made washing machine. This is a Bosch Precision WFG2020 GB model. It's in a state of disassembly. It's a kind of a spares machine that I've kept for myself because I've got a very similar one to it that I use. Motor's taken out of it, probably just because I wanted to pillage the brushes for something else. Everything on it seems okay, but the programmer wouldn't work. Look at that drum, or tub even. It's got this stainless or chrome plated tub, clip on front, so it's easy to service. Big ballast ring on the front, no ballast on top, and on the back it's got this cast iron spider and a cast aluminium pulley on the outside. Now it'll have another spider on the inside, but I want to break it down today because I've got a bit of an idea of something to make with a washing machine like this. You've got your element there, little water housing on it. Just overall, the build quality of the older machine, not necessarily a more expensive one, just older, is amazing. So much better. So I'll take it apart bit by bit. So like I said, amazing build quality, cast parts, cast iron, cast aluminium, really good solid stuff, really heavy. It takes about 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes to get into the inside of this machine, to get all of this stuff out of the way in a way that you can put it all back together again, get the front off so that you can get into the tub inside. And once you get into the tub, you can take the drum out, which is really a serviceable machine. It's just held on with, I think, 6 clips. The ballast is held on with some pretty big bolts, and they're quite heavy duty to get rid of, so you've got to really use a spanner and put a lot of torque on them to get rid of them. But they're quite easy once you've broken the original or the initial torque on them, and then the ballast just lifts out. And so here I'm just going around with a screwdriver popping those clips off. Really, really easy. Really easy to do. You can take that bar off, and then that's the front, just comes straight off it. You can get in, you can do the bearings and all that kind of thing. No bother at all. So a completely serviceable machine. It has a good bearing on it by the feels of things. It's just knocking there at the back off the top, because there's no weight on the front anymore pulling it forward. You can see in here the element. There's the drain down there. This ball inside it. Get a look, comes in from the back. And there's some kind of a optical sensor there, or maybe it's a temperature sensor, so we'll go into the back and have a look and see what that is. Yeah, so something, it'll be the pressure sensor, so it's a pressure switch, because that goes up. That pressure hose goes on up to the top. So there's the drum and the aluminium spider. I've shown you recently what a bad Bosch spider looks like, but this one is probably approaching 30 years old and it looks great. A little bit of scale on there, but nothing major. Like I've said throughout, this is a really good, strong machine, really easy to service. You can still get parts for it. I would highly recommend, if you can get one of these old Bosches, to do so. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.